Hey, this is Dr. B, and let's talk about changes in free energy. Free energy is the total change in energy for a system, considering both enthalpy, temperature, and entropy effects. And if it's a negative value, it means it's spontaneous. You'll see terms such as the change in the free energy of a reaction and the change in the free energy of formation, right? What are they? Well, this would be the standard free energy change for a reaction when it occurs under those standard state conditions for a chemical reaction. This, for the formation, would be the change that occurs when you have 1 mole of the compound is formed from the elements in their standard states. This would be, you use this to come up with free energy data, right? The standard free energy of formation. You can use that stuff to come up with the change in the free energy of a reaction. How do you calculate them? For free energy of a reaction, it's just products minus reactants, just like we've done for entropy and for enthalpy. So 3 different data tables. Very powerful tools. For this, you just look it up, the standard free energy of formation of something. And let's do a couple of examples. Let's burn some methane, and we want to find the standard free energy change for this reaction at 25 degrees Celsius. So it's just products minus reactants. That number and twice that number, subtract out this number and twice that number, which is still 0. And we find that this is a very exothermic reaction to the tune of 818 kilojoules per mole. No surprise. You burn methanol, the way it releases a lot of heat. Now we're going to take some magnesium oxide and go in the opposite direction. Turn it into magnesium plus oxygen. We look up some values. These are both elemental forms, so they're 0. So it's products minus reactants, and it'll simply be twice this value, and subtracting it out changes its sign. You release energy when you burn magnesium. I know that only too well, having set off the fire alarm twice at my high school while doing that. So the opposite process must be endothermic. This is the free energy of a reaction and the change in the free energy of formation.